Hello guys, Dell Channel 21 here, and this is my room tour / computer setup for September. Quite a few things have changed, so let's get started. So I'm going to start over here and go to there in this direction, and then we end at the tech center over here. So turn on the lights and start. So first, my door. We have some clothes hanging. Next to the door we have my little blue trash can. And next to that is my ancient television. There's a PS2 slimline with a rather strange cactus on it and a green plant. Right here we have my dresser with my clothes in it. Also in this one, here we have the food for my fishes. And there are my fishes. Say hello to YouTube fishes. Yay! Okay. And next to this we have a little cushion table thingy. It's just a pillow thing with a hard plastic top on it, and you can put your laptop on it so it gets optimal how do you say that? Optimal air something. Never mind me. There in the silver grey case is my ancient compact laptop with some bags next to it. Right here we have my rather big plant. Moving on to my Philips alarm, or rather a clock radio, as it says on top of it. Right here we have a nostril spray, a lamp, some snowboard magazines, some Donald Duck pockets, and over here we have my collection of toy cars and one train, a little globe, a whole load of Donald Duck pockets. Over there we have a green plant, as you can see, a Mickey Mouse thing. Don't know why I have it there, but a Lego mechanic bulldozer, a model airplane, two cats out of wood which I made, school books, cars, clay art I also made, more Donald Duck pockets, more cars, and more Donald Duck pockets. That was pretty much it over there. So right here we have my bed. Right here we have some stuff for snowboarding and skiing, like my helmets, gloves. In here we have all the tech stuff, like my Trust GeForce racing wheel, compact laptop, and other things like mouses, wires, and keyboards. So, curtain, window, my garden, me in the reflection of the window, another curtain, heater, and there we are at the technology center. Right over here we have my dad's tripod, which I use, a 17-inch Dell monitor, and now we have my Dell Dimension C521 and Dimension 5000 here. I am not using them anymore, and I'm going to sell the C521. Not sure about the 5000, but yeah. On top of it we have the box of which I got with my gaming PC, which contains all the wires and stuff, the stock CPU cooler, etc, etc. Another heater, another curtain, and another window. My desk now. Oh yeah, my office chair, really nice office chair. So right here we have my lamp, some pens and a pair of scissors, some small papers. Right over here we have the case of my RAM, which I got from my gaming PC. A small update. I will make an update for that in the future. Right over here we have my Dell Dimension E520 connected to a Full HD LG monitor. Oh yeah, and right there are some games and more technology. On top of it is a SD card reader and a Dell wireless USB adapter. A little bit about the specs of this machine, not very much new stuff. The old Pentium D at 2.66 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM and a 1 GB XFX Radeon HD 5450. Yeah, it is connected to a wireless Logitech mouse and a mechanic Dell keyboard. And for the sound we have a Creative Labs iTurig stereo set. Over there we have some CDs and DVDs, another lamp, little organizer where I keep my wires, DVDs and CDs for operating systems, a set for cleaning things like LCD screens, some screwdrivers, more screwdrivers, and over here we have a bunch of SD cards, some wireless USB adapters. I have 1, 2, 3 of them in total, and some little plug adapter thingies for my universal laptop charger. Over there is the place where my camera sits. Oh yeah, Grand Theft Auto 4 for the PC. Moving on to the new part of, I don't know how to say it. Anyway, my gaming PC used to be there, right on my desk, but as you can probably hear, it is quite loud and it quite annoys me when the fan is almost next to my ear. So I got a little table which matches the color of my desk, which is very nice, and I put my PC on top of there. I didn't want it to be on the ground because the ground is well, not dirty, but it's the place where dust likes to gather, and I don't want dust to get in my PC. So yeah, there are my two Dell 2009W screens, both 20-inch at a resolution of 1680 x 1050. The Logitech Z623 2.1 stereo set, and underneath my desk is the subwoofer. Over there we have a Swiffer duster. Don't know what's in there, but in that grey silver case is all my pair of binoculars and things for the Swiffer duster, and some computer magazines under there. And right over here we have a rather large pillow, brushes, and in here are a whole bunch of old CDs and my bag. Right, next to my PC is this ECU universal laptop charger and the external hard drive and the lamp, of course. So yeah, that was about it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my computer setup because quite a few things have changed. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.